Come here, baby. Jake. Good girl. What is it? Good girl. Where's your ball?
She wants to play, boy.
Is her ball gone?
Play.
Is her ball gone?
Yeah, looks. I think it's somewhere.
All right, Boomer. Oh, there you go.
You know, if you're lucky, Boomer will give you a ride on his back.
I'm just happy that she's not cowering and making scared noises. That's fabulous. Oh, he came behind you.
Gigi, I'll introduce her.
Surprise!
Gigi! Gigi!
Gigi, hi, baby.
Drink some water.
They won't hurt you.
No lap jumping, no lap jumping. You're fine.
You want to
Gigi,
come up,
come on,
don't you?
Gigi. Gigi.
Hi, Gigi.
Come up, don't you?
Hi. No lap. See what I mean
It's a
about?
mighty leap, I'll tell you.
Yeah, see what I mean about jumping straight up? Jog jumps straight
Pretty
up.
springy.
Yeah, she is. She's got long. It's the poodle legs.
Is that what does it?
Yeah. She's
Definitely got a lot of spring.
She's got the